Again, I will explain how to do it. Now take these two, cover two at a time in a cyclic manner. 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever the fashion you want it. There is no cyclic order. Only thing is you have to choose when this position comes. When this position comes, this particular diagonally opposite 2 and 3 are here. Hold this. Well, just place that paper only there. Place that paper only. Hold this like this. Leave the paper and bring back this piece. But that will be below this and nobody will be seeing while doing it fast. See, and cover this paper with this. Show this to audience. These three are available. Now 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. I am going along with this. 3, 3, 3. But you should not leave, slip it. Otherwise your magic will be out. 3, 3, 3, 3. Then leave along with this here. To say this piece has already been transferred here. But people are thinking that one is here, one is here. This one. And 3 I am taking. All other things will be simple now. Keep here. Already one is there. But it is just showing while going below the towel. Just hold it below this. Hold it below this. Like this. Just say chum. Open it. Bring it back. It is here. Cover with it and attract the audience towards this. See the two new pieces come here. But it is here. Second, over. Keep together. And the third one you place little bit distanced. Well placing, but it should be very instantaneous. Fast like this. And cover it. But not too outside also. So that people will catch you. So keep it here. So take the third one, second. To actually there are 3. I am telling 2 are there. The third piece, see I am taking below the bed. So show. Here it has come out. This is the new piece. 1, 2, 3. 3 over. Now I am taking the fourth piece here. Take it. See this and say I am putting it into my pocket. Say chew. See here. 4 pieces have come already. Actually, final piece is here. 4 is over. And now keep together and keep little bit away. And the final piece where it is as per the audience, it is here. I say without touching, I say just 4 are here. Say it with stress. 4 are here, 1 is here. But if anybody has to show it, you cannot. You say that after my starting my show, I cannot show it and nobody should touch this. Because a high voltage current will pass and I will not be responsible for later consequences. Like this, if you say them, nobody will dare to touch it because it is associated with magic and you are playing with their mind. Now you see, 5th piece is here. I say, choom. And now, first open this. See, the 5th piece has come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is this? Bhaiya, 9. It has come all here. That's all. Thank you.